Hey guys, so the first step of our new rig is taking place today. We finally got our hitch in. We chose the PullRite Super Lite 20,000 pound hitch. Now I know we have a 6.5 foot bed, but this is going to give me an extra 6 inches of clearance, and I just didn't want to deal with a 250 pound slider hitch. I was planning on going with the Anderson hitch because it only weighs 35 pounds, but this weighs roughly 55 pounds, about 20 pounds more. But I just didn't like the Andersons, that extra cable you have, and I see a lot of people bolting them into their rig, and I just did not want to do that. And I really like how this system works. So we're going to get started on this, so stick around. Hey guys, welcome back. So the first step in this is getting the ball installed. Now this ball is a 25,000 pound ball, so it'll pair well with this. It overdoes what I need. And basically for this ball, we just pull the top off, twist it. The two intent roller balls go in. We can set it down in and then snap it back up. So we're going to get that installed right now. All right guys, so now we got the ball installed. The next part is the receiver. So this receiver sits over the ball like so, and there's a couple of pins that go through it just to attach it to that ball. So this is known as a single point hitch. So I'm going to get those pins in and we'll be right back. Alright, so once you got the receiver hitch attached to the ball, just with the pins, it's time to put down these plates. These are bed saver plates. They go on the bed and then the hitch goes on top of these. Now this is a 2600 PullRite Super Lite, so it's meant for the beds that have, the trucks that have the OE puck system already installed. Now if you don't have it, and all you have is just the gooseneck ball hitch, you would have to purchase some extra brackets to, if you have a GM, I'm sorry. The other Ram and Ford do not have to purchase these brackets, but if you have a Chevy or a GM, you have to purchase these brackets that would just give the bed a little more sturdiness so it doesn't flex with the weight. But if you have the puck system, you're good. So right now we're going to put these down. So right now you can see there's really nothing scientific about it. You just lay them down, and we're going to set the hitch right over top of it. And we're going to run that set bolt, the drawdown bolt, through the hitch. There it is. So you can see the drawdown bolt is through. Alright, so it took a little bit of finagling, but now I got the drawdown bolt through. So now I have to install the set bolt in the back, and then I'll put the nut and the washer on here. So here's the set bolt. That set bolt here will get torqued to 45 pounds, and I'll double check that because I think it's 45 pounds, and this top nut is 75 pounds. So I'm going to go ahead and get the nut started. Alright, so now we've got the hitch in the bed. This is what goes on the actual kingpin. It's got a couple of pins you take out. It'll sit up on the kingpin like so. Put the pins in, and then there's two here, two on this side, bolts that tighten it to the kingpin. And basically, that's the locking mechanism inside. And that allows this full range of motion for our camper. So it's 3 inches off the ball this way, and it pushes the kingpin back 3 inches, which gives us an extra 6 inches on this 6'6" bed, which should be plenty of room for us not to worry about hitting the camper cap on the corner of our truck. Now my only concern is, will this bed cover work?
No, I don't think
so. Or will we have to replace it?
I think we got to replace it, but
we'll see. I've already been looking at them, but for now, this is step 1 of the new rig. Hey guys, we're a week after we put in our hitch. We had a little issue with the drawdown bolt. Here's the drawdown bolt that came with my PullRite Super Lite 2600. It's the same part number as one I had to order, but basically it was a 4-inch bolt, and I could not get, as you see here, I got a little hole, and a pin goes through there, a linch pin. I couldn't get the hole exposed enough to get the linch pin in. So I called PullRite, and they were really on top of it. They were no problem. They had just started using 4.5-inch drawdown bolts, and they had the same part number, so there was a little confusion there, but they did assure me that they were completely done with the 4-inch, going stock with the 4.5-inch. So we got that part in today. I just put it on, and I can show you what it looks like, if I can get the camera. So this is the PullRite in the back of my Chevy. This here would be the drawdown bolt. It torques at 60 foot-pounds. And then you have one other bolt back here that torques at 40 foot-pounds. You do this first, so that pulls everything to the bed. And then this tightens the block underneath here that the drawdown bolt is attached to. And it holds it tight to the hitch itself. As you see, you got 2 plates, front and rear. Those spread the weight out in your bed so your bed doesn't crumple. And one thing to know is you got 90-degree angles on those, and they go to the front and rear. So this back plate, this seam here is 90 degrees, faces the front of the truck. This plate, the 90-degree angle, faces the rear of the truck. So this is the first step in our new rig. Hopefully you enjoyed this installation video, and we will catch you later.